And commenting on some of the details of this Payabrat, this is text 60. Ayam vai sarva yagyakya sarva vratamiti smritam tapasaram idam badre danam keshvara tarpanam. Kashyap Muni is telling his good wife, Mahabhagi, his greatly fortunate wife, Aditi, about the worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Keshav. And he said that this Payabrat that you're performing is Sarva Yagya. It is equal to all kinds of religious rituals and sacrifices, all yagyas. In other words, it's the whole in one. This one brat, or yagya, or sacrifice, or puja, or worship, 12 days, austerities. This one sacrifice, by doing this, one can perform all other sacrifices automatically. He went on to say that his tapasaram is the essence of all austerities. He calls his wife, previous verse he calls his wife Mahabhagi. Greatly fortunate, here he calls her Badri. Oh good lady. And by this, doing this brat, one will please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It says here, Danam Keshvara Tarpanam. This is the best act of charity to please the Ishvara, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Very interesting purport in this chapter 16, verse 60. In relation to this Payabrata, Prabhupada compares the Payabrata to ISKCON, this ancient worship that Aditi was doing of Lord Vishnu. He compares this Payabrata performance of Aditi in the Satya Yuga, millions of years ago, to the deity worship that is performed, the Vishnu Radhanam, or puja, or deity worship that is performed in ISKCON temples today in Kali Yuga, 4 million years later.